Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock parental controls app with biometrics on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, go to the app, then go to parental controls here at the bottom, click on settings in top right corner, then click on lock app. Now on iPhones it'll be lock with Face ID, on Android phones it'll be probably like lock with fingerprint or lock with biometrics. Once you enable that, I may need to click on allow and verify my Face ID here. Now it's locked, so if I exit the app and if I reopen it, not this one, this one, then you can see it asks it scanned my face in order to be able to open the app. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.